Have you ever taken the perfect photo only to realize there's a distracting background or an unwanted person ruining the shot? Today, we're looking at Picsart, an incredibly popular AI creative platform used by over 100 million creators, to see how you can easily clean up your images. Picsart is an all-in-one creative hub packed with free AI design tools, expert-crafted templates, and built-in asset libraries. When it comes to editing your photos, they offer highly accessible tools like their Remove the Background feature, as well as trending workflows like Remove Background People to help you instantly isolate your subjects and clean up your frames. But Picsart goes way beyond simple photo editing. If you want to take your creative projects further, you can use Picsart Aura to edit your images using simple text prompts, or use the Expand the Frame tool to generate entirely new details on the edges of your photos. They even feature cutting-edge video tools like Cdance 2.5 for cinematic video generation and Kling 3.0 for animating portraits. Now, because we want to be completely transparent, we don't have external user reviews or hands-on feedback configured in our current research database for this specific tool. However, with over 100 million creators using the platform, it is highly trusted for quick, scroll-stopping content creation. To try it out for yourself, simply head over to Picsart.com, select the background removal tool, upload your photo, and let the AI do the heavy lifting in seconds. It's fast, easy, and requires zero technical design skills. If you found this quick overview helpful, make sure to head to Picsart.com to start creating. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more straight-to-the-point AI tutorials.